Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the LG Stylo 5 and that is coming to Boost Mobile and more details on it. So first, let's talk about the LG Stylo 5 overall and some details about it, and then we'll get to the Boost Mobile part that it is coming to Boost Mobile with some, proof and all that cool stuff. So yes, there's an article right here by AndroidCommunity.com. It says LG Stylo 5 renders show new color, no new details. So here we go, guys. It's more like a gray color. So this is the phone in the front. Of course, it will look black. Now, if you guys don't know, this phone actually has many resemblance to the LG Stylo 4 because LG really didn't think that it needed, a new design. And a lot of people actually like the design of the LG Stylo 4. So let's go into it. It does look pretty cool. As you can see, there's the pen. That's what the LG is known for. A lot of people call it the budget note for a lot of people, which is pretty cool. If you want a note, if you want the pen features that the Note has, and you don't want to spend, $1,000, then the LG Stylo 4 is the one to go with. So let's see some details. That says, if you're excited for the upcoming LG Stylo 5, there are some new official leaks. Unfortunately, the only new thing that we can see here is confirmed that it will come in a new color, something in a silver or gray color, as you can see up on the top. But other than that, doesn't seem to be anything new here, both as a new device and as compared to the previous basic device, so the LG Stylo 4. The render also doesn't indicate any clues as to what the specs we can expect for an upcoming smartphone and its accompanying stylus. So there's no current specs out for the phone, but a lot of people are saying it's going to be roughly about the same as the Stylo 4. So I'm really wondering what they will change. I'm guessing maybe a little bit faster processor, and I'm hoping a little bit more RAM. So what I'm really thinking is hopefully this phone has 32 gigs minimum of internal storage and at least 3 gigs of RAM. I'm tired of seeing 2 gig, RAM. I have right here look at this phone. Woo! This is a CoolPad Legacy, guys. And this thing has 32 gigs of internal storage with 3 gigs of RAM for only $100. So you already know this LG Stylo 5 is going to be a lot more than that, but we'll get more into that. So like I said, there's no specs or leaks actually for the Stylo 5 just yet. But like I said, there's some cool things about it. So it says the LG Stylo 4 was released in Aurora Black and metallic lavender colors, but no indicator yet if the latter color will also be available for the upcoming device. So it says, based on the renders, there are also doesn't seem to be much different from the previous device. At least physically, like I was saying before, the buttons are in the same place and bezels look the same, and the fingerprint sensor and camera placements are similar as well. Sorry for that, for my phone going off. One change that we can see through that the Stylus 5 will have a more integrated design in terms of a rear camera setup, and that is pretty true. If you look at it right here, the rear camera, let's compare it to the LG Stylo 4 on Boost Mobile, you will see that the camera does seem a little bit different here. So here's the back. As you can see, not too different, but overall just a slight difference. As you can see, it's more of a, if you look at a Samsung J3 or the Samsung J7, kind of has that little oval camera shape versus the LG Stylo 4 just has a normal, just flat, camera, versus this one's a little bit more indented, it looks like it. So as you can see, it's pretty cool. Some differences there, guys. So yeah, let's finish this off with a little bit. So it says the stylus, which is the main selling point of the particular camera line, is not shown in the render. So like I said, it does show it in the picture, but doesn't really show how the pen will look. You can however see it in the wallpaper. Like I said, we don't know though if the image is of the actual pen of the phone, but it's highly likely. So most likely that picture that you see up here is the the picture of the pen. So like I said, the pen's not as high tech as the Note, but hey, it's still good. You can draw on it and write on it and all that cool stuff. So it says the LG Stylo 5 is expected to be announced sometime this month if we base it on when the previous ones were officially released. As for specs, expected to be slightly improved, of course, but probably just in the processor and Android version. So most likely we'll have Android 9. And like I said, maybe a little bit better processor. I'm hoping at least a 670 Snapdragon, but who knows. It says price wise, it would also probably be just around the price of Stylo 4, which is around 300. That's the unlocked variant. Definitely not what the Boost Mobile variant gets, but let me show you here. As you can see, there's a Stylo 4 on Boost Mobile. Like I said, there's a Stylo 4 and then the Stylo 4 Plus, guys. So most likely the one we're going to get is going to be more to the Stylo 4 regular and not the Plus variant, which is right here. This is more, as you can see, 220 or 280 really. MSRP is the better spec one, of course. But like I said, this one is probably going to compete with just a regular Stylo 4, which I'm hoping they really compete with the Stylo 4 Plus, because that's the one that has better specs on Boost Mobile. But not bad. Let's see what last year's had. This is a 6.2 inch, which is the same as the other variant. 13 megapixel rear camera, 21 hours of talk time, 32 gigs of storage. Like I said, that's definitely improvement in the Stylo 5. Can only have 32 or even higher. It'll be sweet if they gave us 64 gigabytes, but I highly doubt it. Most likely they'll just give us the 32 gigs, and instead, I can almost guarantee you, instead of Android 8.0 or 8.1, we're gonna get Pie, which is 9 at least. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking right there, guys. Like I said, this phone did retail at $200, but now you can save currently $70 and get it for $130. Same thing, Walmart had it for $130. So yeah. Now let's see some of the leaks here. As you can see, this one is brought to you by Luke Allen, so shout out to him. This is on Boost Up. If you guys don't know what Boost Up is, you can basically do monthly payments on phones as long as you had your service with Boost Mobile for a while and you've made all your payments on time. It's almost like financing, but they don't run your credit or anything. It's done through basically how good of a customer you are with Boost Mobile. And that's a pretty sweet deal. But as you can see here in leaked, let me try to zoom this in. What is that? So it says Stylo 5 question mark. Most likely this is the LG Stylo 5. As you can see, it pretty same design. It will be rocking a 32 gig internal storage. So like I was saying, 32 gigs is most likely what it will have. As you can see, it's also that gray color, same color that was shown in the renders. Device price will be $181. This is with of course the payment plan with Boost Up. Most likely you'll get it at $200, guys. We will get it at $200. So down payment, of course, is $1 plus applicable sales tax on device. But yes, $1. That's why it's $181. But once you pay that $1, it'll be $180, and then really you will finance the $180 by 18 months, and that's where you get the $10. So pretty cool. As you can see, there it is, the Stylo 5. Not bad at all. Like I said, my predictions is it will be $200. And like I said, it's at least what I can predict. But who knows, it might change pretty soon. But yeah, that's not bad, you know. Sorry, I was looking at something. So what do you guys think? Are you excited for the new Stylo 5 coming to Boost Mobile? I'm excited. Like I said, sorry if I don't sound super excited, but you know, I just came back from work and I have a sore throat. So yeah, that's why I sound a little robotic. But yes, guys, I'm pretty excited for the LG Stylo 5. Like I said, I like the Stylo 4, but I still have my Stylo 2 till this day, and more leaks to come your way. Like I said, hopefully when the specs get leaked out or they announce the phone this month is what is rumored to come out, I will have that video up. I want to get the phone, review it, unbox it, all that cool stuff. Like I said, I'm still working on a lot of other reviews, but so much information and news are coming out at this time where it kind of makes it a little harder. But I will be making a couple of reviews on the CoolPad, the gaming review, and camera review on it as well. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's something pretty cool. But yeah, so what do you think about the LG Stylo 5? You know, are you excited that it's only 32 gigs? Like I said, minimum 32 gigs now and minimum 3 gigs, guys. Boost Mobile needs to step it up, especially with the merger going on. So far, they are giving us some great phones, but like I said, most likely the LG Stylo 5 will be a little bit watered down version compared to like the unlocked version, which they always do that, but they will let you put it on Boost Mobile through the unlocking. If you get the unlocked variant in BYOD, so that's something that's pretty cool. But to finish this off, guys, like I said, what do you guys think? Is the Stylo 5 worth it? Like I said, most likely it's going to be $200. Boost Mobile usually does have them on sale, so hopefully it does go on sale. Like when the Stylo 4 came out, it was 200, but like I said, Walmart had it for 130, and hopefully Walmart will have it for at least 150 or 130. That'll be pretty sweet. But I'm also hoping that it's not a watered down version. Hopefully it does have 3 gigs of RAM and a better processor. Like I said, hopefully a 670 at least, or maybe, because I believe the Stylo 4 had like a 450, 470, something like that, Snapdragon, but we will see. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Hopefully I didn't make this video too long, but there's a lot of information on it. And like I said, share it, hit the bell, let me know. So please comment, rate, subscribe. If you want to support me, you can in my PayPal in the description below, or you can check out my #1 supporter, netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $65 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. Thank you, guys. We'll be in the description below. Check it out.